protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, central Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monticello, or 10 miles northeast of Monroe, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Marshall, Cottage Grove, Belleville, New Glarus, Shorewood Hills, Brooklyn, Maple Bluff, Monticello, Albany, and Dayton. Other landmarks included are the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin.